What if I told you that in just 7 days, you could completely transform your relationship with sugar? That those intense 3 p.m. energy crashes, the desperate late-night candy raids, and that constant mental fog could disappear forever. I'm talking about breaking free from what scientists now call one of the most addictive substances on the planet. Today, I'm going to show you the exact scientifically proven method that has helped over 10,000 people quit sugar for good, and I guarantee it's probably not what you think. By the end of this video, you'll have a complete roadmap that works even if you've failed every other diet before. Let's start with some truly mind-blowing facts. The average American consumes a staggering 77 grams of added sugar every single day. That's over 18 teaspoons, tripling the World Health Organization's recommended limit. To put this into perspective, 1 can of soda contains around 39 grams, your entire daily allowance in a single drink. But it's not just the obvious culprits. This hidden sugar lurks everywhere. In your morning cereal, yogurt, pasta sauces, and even salad dressings, making it incredibly easy to overconsume without even realizing it. But here's where it gets truly alarming. Your brain processes sugar in a way that's shockingly similar to hard drugs. When you consume sugar, it hijacks your brain's reward center, triggering a massive release of dopamine, the feel-good neurotransmitter. This creates an intense feeling of pleasure. In fact, some studies suggest the reward signal from sugar can be up to 8 times more powerful than that from cocaine. This isn't just a mild craving. It's a powerful neurological response that your brain is wired to seek out again and again. This is precisely why the struggle isn't a failure of willpower. It's a battle against your own biochemistry. Your brain becomes dependent on these intense dopamine hits. Over time, your receptors can become desensitized, meaning you need more sugar to achieve the same effect. This creates a vicious cycle, a sugar high followed by a crash that leaves you feeling tired and irritable, which in turn triggers intense cravings for another fix. It's a classic addiction loop, explaining why you can't just have one cookie or stop after a small piece of cake. Now let's talk about what really happens when you quit sugar, because understanding this timeline is crucial for your success. Hours 12 to 24. You'll start feeling the first cravings. Your brain is asking, where's my dopamine hit? Days 1 to 2, mild headaches and irritability begin. This is your brain adjusting to functioning without constant sugar spikes. Days 3 to 5. This is the peak cravings are strongest. You might feel fatigued, moody, or even experience brain fog. Here's the critical part. 80% of people quit during these days. But if you push through, something magical happens. Days 6 to 7. Cravings dramatically decrease. Your taste buds begin resetting. Weeks 2 to 4. Complete transformation. Natural foods start tasting incredibly sweet again. Your energy stabilizes, sleep improves, and mental clarity returns. The key is knowing this is temporary. Your brain is literally rewiring itself. Here's my proven 7-day method that makes this achievable, broken into 3 simple phases. Phase 1, days 1 to 3, is a complete elimination. You'll cut out all added sugars, fruits, starchy vegetables like potatoes, all grains, and even artificial sweeteners. I know this sounds extreme, but this complete reset is what breaks the addiction cycle by stabilizing your blood sugar. The first 72 hours are the toughest, but this is where real change begins. So what can you eat? Your meals will be built around 3 pillars. High-quality protein like wild-caught fish and grass-fed beef to keep you full. An abundance of non-starchy vegetables like broccoli, spinach, and zucchini for nutrients, and healthy fats like avocados, olive oil, and nuts for steady energy. Also drink plenty of water to help your body adjust. Phase 2, on days 4 and 5, is for controlled reintroduction. We'll slowly add back low-glycemic vegetables like sweet potatoes and carrots. These release energy slowly, preventing sugar spikes. Pay attention to how your body feels. Your cravings should be noticeably weaker now, and your energy more stable. Phase 3, days 6 and 7, brings the gentle addition of fruit. Introduce berries first. They're lowest in sugar but high in fiber and antioxidants. This is where the magic happens. After a week without intense sweetness, your palate is reset. By day 7, a single strawberry will taste like candy. You're not just ending a detox, you're beginning a new, healthier relationship with food. Let me give you the exact foods that will carry you through this detox. For breakfast, scrambled eggs with spinach cooked in coconut oil, or Greek yogurt with nuts and seeds. Lunch, grilled chicken salad with mixed greens, avocado and olive oil dressing, or salmon with roasted broccoli. Dinner, grass-fed beef with cauliflower rice and sautéed vegetables, or turkey meatballs with zucchini noodles. Snacks are crucial. Keep hard-boiled eggs, raw almonds or cucumber with guacamole on hand. Hydration is your secret weapon. Aim for half your body weight in ounces of water daily, plus herbal teas like chamomile or peppermint. Black coffee is allowed but limit to 2 cups. Here's a pro tip. Meal prep everything on Sunday. When cravings hit, having healthy options ready prevents you from making impulsive choices. Here's how to power through the hardest days like a champion. When cravings hit, and they will use the 5-minute rule. First, drink a full glass of water to hydrate and create a feeling of fullness. Then, eat a high-protein snack like almonds or a hard-boiled egg to stabilize your blood sugar. Finally, just wait 5 minutes. This simple pause breaks the impulsive cycle and you'll be surprised how often the craving passes. It's about redirecting your focus, not just white-knuckling through it. If you're experiencing headaches, it's likely dehydration or caffeine withdrawal, not just sugar. Increase your water intake and consider green tea, which contains L-theanine for relaxation. For irritability and mood swings, magnesium is your secret weapon. This vital mineral helps regulate your nervous system. Eat plenty of avocados, dark leafy greens, nuts and seeds. A high-quality supplement can also be a great ally, ensuring your body has what it needs to rebalance during this crucial transition period. Movement is incredibly powerful. Even a brisk 10-minute walk releases mood-boosting endorphins that naturally combat cravings. At night, prioritize your rest. Sleep is non-negotiable, so aim for 7-8 quality hours. Poor sleep spikes cortisol, the stress hormone that directly triggers sugar cravings, creating a vicious cycle. Finally, activate your support system. Be explicit with family and friends about your goal. Ask them to be your cheerleaders, encouraging you with positive words instead of offering you dessert. Their support can make all the difference. Here are the advanced strategies that separate success from failure. Strategy 1. Environment design. Remove all sugar from your home, car, and office. Replace them with emergency healthy snacks. Strategy 2. Stress management. Sugar cravings intensify under stress. Practice deep breathing or meditation when stressed instead of reaching for sweets. Strategy 3. Social situations. Plan ahead. Eat before parties, bring your own healthy dessert, or suggest restaurants with clean options. Strategy 4. Read every label. Sugar hides under 50+ different names. High fructose corn syrup, agave nectar, brown rice syrup, and anything ending in "ose." Strategy 5. Find healthy substitutes that satisfy your psychology, not just your taste buds. If you crave chocolate, try raw cacao powder with almond butter. If you want something sweet and crunchy, try apple slices with almond butter and cinnamon. When you successfully complete this 7-day reset, the benefits are life-changing. Within 1 week, stable energy all day, no more 3 p.m. crashes, better sleep quality, and clearer skin. Within 1 month, potential 20-pound weight loss, dramatically reduced cravings, improved mood stability, and better focus. Long-term benefits include reduced risk of diabetes, heart disease, and certain cancers. Your relationship with food fundamentally changes. You start eating for nourishment rather than emotional comfort. Most importantly, you regain control and confidence. You realize you're stronger than any craving, and that freedom is priceless. Are you ready to take back control and transform your health in just 7 days? Start your sugar detox tomorrow. Your future self will thank you. Subscribe for more life-changing health tips and drop a comment below telling me, what's your biggest sugar weakness? I read every comment and I'll see you in the next video where we're covering the exact meal prep strategies that make staying sugar-free effortless.